What's up, everybody? It's the JBONE, and we are here with another unboxing video. Yay! Anyways, today we'll be unboxing this Dr. Pepper. It's not really an unboxing, more of an uncanning. Yeah, I know, bad joke. Okay, as you can see, this little can of Dr. Pepper is a Batman vs. Superman Dawn of Justice can. Came out around the time the movie came out, which means it's very hard to find nowadays. In fact, I got the last case of it at Walgreens when I got this one. So it sucks for everyone else. You see, it has a picture of Batman on the can, bat symbol. And just so you know, they actually have other characters on other cans of Dr. Pepper. Batman's on Dr. Pepper, Superman's on Diet Dr. Pepper, Lois Lane is on Dr. Pepper 10, Lex Luthor is on Diet Cherry Pepsi, and I'm not Pepsi, Diet Cherry Dr. Pepper. And let's see, who else? Cherry Dr. Pepper has someone else. I don't remember who. Oh, Wonder Woman. Yeah. Anyways, so without further ado, let's unbox this. Nice sound. That's just magical. Damn, that's good. Nice taste. You want some? Huh? Here. Just kidding. You can't have any. It's mine. It's mine. Anyways, I suppose that does it for that unboxing. It's not really a good unboxing, but you know, whatever. Give me a like and subscribe, and good night, big balls. Peace.